Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cloud services with Dropbox step by step clearly. To save on cloud services with Dropbox, begin by assessing your current usage. Identify how much storage space you actually need. Consider reducing unnecessary files or duplications in your Dropbox. Next, explore the various pricing plans offered by Dropbox. If you're a casual user, the free plan may suit your needs. For more storage, evaluate the Plus or Family plans. These plans often come with discounts if you pay annually. Look for promotional offers or discounts available for new users. Invite friends to join Dropbox through their referral program. You and your friends can earn additional free storage when they sign up. Utilize the Dropbox Basic plan efficiently by frequently cleaning out old files. Regularly monitor your storage usage in your account settings. Combine your Dropbox usage with other cloud services if appropriate. Consider using third-party tools that integrate with Dropbox for enhanced functionality. If you run a business, assess if a team plan might be more economical in the long run. Look into educational discounts if you are a student or educator. Review the storage needs of your entire team and adjust accordingly. Implement folder sharing wisely to maximize space. Encourage team members to delete files they no longer need. Keep an eye on data management and organize files to prevent overcrowding. Consider syncing only essential folders to your device to save local storage. Lastly, regularly review your account to ensure you are on the most suitable plan. These steps can help you effectively save on cloud services with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.